Hierarchical task analysis can be a tricky and time-consuming task. But today, that all changes. With SafeTask's intuitive features, you can create HTA diagrams with complete ease in a fraction of the time a traditional HTA takes. Choose your view, diagram, or tabular format with a customizable table and the ability to split rows and views to make it work for you. All you need to do is simply drag and drop, and voila! And gain a deeper understanding of safety-critical tasks by using Analyze mode to color-code key information. Our cloud-based software is accessible in the browser and available whenever or wherever. SafeTask seamlessly fits into your organization. Bring your entire team in to collaborate on diagrams with multiple users. Plus, it's easy to communicate the risks to your audience. Simply share a live link to your diagram and download Word or Excel reports. You can even connect to other software, such as Power BI. For added security and control, you can give each user different access levels and permissions, or assign specifications. SafeTask isn't just an HTA tool, it's an HTA game changer. Book a demo today to see how we could transform your human factors workflow.